What if everything you were told about money was wrong? This man invested early in Uber and Twitter, built a $4 billion platform, but says wealth has nothing to do with luck or a job. His name is Naval Ravikant, and once you understand his code, you'll never look at money the same way again.
Naval was born in India and moved to New York City at age 9. No money, no father, just a hardworking mom and a public library. He read obsessively: philosophy, economics, coding. He got into Dartmouth, entered the tech world. Years later, he co-founded a startup that went public. Everyone celebrated, but Naval walked away with almost nothing. Why? Because he didn't own equity. Another, so didn't understand how wealth is really built.
Naval says, real security doesn't come from a job. It comes from your ability to create value. Today, entire industries are getting automated. AI is replacing jobs faster than schools can update their curriculums. Job security? It's fragile. If you've been a marketing manager for 15 years making decent money, would you stop here? Or would you explore teaching what you know online? You could have turned those 15 years of experience into courses that generate income while you sleep. If you rely on one paycheck, one job title, you're walking a tightrope with no net. The solution? Learn rare, useful skills, invest in yourself every week, start creating value, not just labor. Because skills compound, jobs don't.
Naval's golden rule: use code and media to build once and earn forever. In other words, stop renting your time. Start building assets that scale. If you're a mechanic making $40,000 a year and struggling, have you ever thought about posting repair videos online? You could reach millions through YouTube. Same greasy hands, same knowledge, infinite scale. If your grandma has an amazing cookie recipe, would you turn it into a TikTok empire? You could build millions of followers and multiple revenue streams from those family recipes. That might mean creating a digital product, teaching something you know, launching a YouTube channel, writing an ebook or newsletter. You don't need millions of followers. You need a system that works without you clocking in. Every video, every article, every piece of code is a worker you can duplicate for free. That's leverage, and it's how modern wealth is built.
One job, one boss, one stream. That's not freedom. That's exposure. Naval's advice? Don't just work for money. Make your money work in layers. If you're a software engineer making $80,000, do you stop exploring? Or do you keep looking for more ways to create value? You could have your job income. Stream 1. You could create coding tutorials online. Stream 2. You could build an investment portfolio. Stream 3. You could start consulting for startups. Stream 4. 4 streams instead of 1. Same skills, multiplied impact. If you're a teacher, you could create educational content online. If you're a chef, you could sell cooking courses. If you're a fitness trainer, you could build workout apps. That's not overworking. That's building income stacks. So one block falling doesn't bring your whole tower down. Multiple streams equals financial insulation, and eventually, liberation.
Here's what changed everything for Naval. You're not going to get rich renting out your time. The wealthy don't sell time. They own things. If you're a graphic designer making $50,000 a year, are you content trading time for money forever? Or could you create digital templates that sell while you sleep? You could have turned your design skills into passive income, templates that generate $300,000 annually. If you're an accountant, what financial problems could you solve for small businesses? If you're a nurse, what health education could you provide online? If you're a plumber, what home repair knowledge could you monetize? That could be equity in a startup, a product you control, a media brand, a rental property, an audience. Ownership means when you sleep, your assets keep working, and you stop living on a treadmill.
Naval doesn't define wealth by money. He defines it by freedom. Happiness is what remains when you remove desire. If you've built a successful app and sold it for $2 million, would you buy a mansion? Or would you buy freedom? You could choose freedom. You could travel the world, work on passion projects, and fund causes you care about. If you achieve financial freedom, what cause would you support? If you didn't have to worry about money, what would you create? If you could wake up tomorrow with complete choice, what would you do? He meditates, reads every day, lives simply, works only on what he loves. That's not luck, it's design, it's clarity, it's intentionality, and it's available to anyone who understands the code.
Naval's Wealth Blueprint. Learn rare skills. Use leverage, code plus media. Stack income streams. Own your assets. Play the long game. If you understand fitness and technology, could you build workout apps that actually work? You could have combined your passion for fitness with coding skills. You could have built a $1 million SaaS business. You don't need to go viral. You don't need $1 million. You just need the right mindset and a clear path. You have the same internet Naval used, the same 24 hours, the same opportunities. But here's the real question. Will you keep asking, what if? Or will you start asking, what now? Naval's path is clear. The shortcut is simple, but it requires one thing. You have to start.
Subscribe to our channel for more modern money playbooks. This is Clear Path Gen, where money meets mindset. Start now. Your money, your move, your clear path.